Welcome to Forward Email. Today, I'll be showing you how to send mail as with Gmail in 5 quick steps. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled. Visit google.com/landing/2step if you do not have it enabled. Step 2. Navigate to your app passwords. You can get there by selecting Manage your Google account in the top right corner under your profile circle. Then select Security on the left-hand side. Then select App Passwords. Choose Mail for Select App and Other for Select Device. When prompted for text input, enter your custom domain's email address you are forwarding from. Select Generate. Copy the password that is automatically generated. You'll need this in Step 4. Step 3. Go to your settings in Gmail. Click on the settings icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then select See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab. Under the Send Mail As section, select Add another email address. For name, enter the name that you want your email to be seen as from. For email address, enter the email address with the custom domain you used in the previous step. Make sure to uncheck Treat as an alias. Click Next to proceed. Step 4. Configure your mail to be sent through your SMTP server. When prompted for SMTP server, enter smtp.gmail.com and leave the port as 587. For username, enter the portion of your Gmail address without the gmail.com part. For password, paste the password you copied in Step 2. Leave the radio button checked to secured connection using TLS. Then click Add Account to proceed. You will now receive a verification code that has been emailed to you. Step 5. Finish verifying. Go to your Gmail and wait for your verification email to arrive. Once it arrives, copy and paste the verification code at the prompt you received in the previous step. Once you've done that, go back to your email and click the link to confirm the request. You need to copy and paste the verification code and click the link to confirm the request for the email to be configured correctly. Congrats! You've completed all the steps and are now ready to send mail as with Gmail. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any additional questions, please check out our fact page.